In today's video, we're going to go through the finer details, like round punches versus diamond punches. See which one you like best for the project you're doing. See which one kind of matches the project you're doing. They both look a little bit different. Let's go through it, check it out. Now this is how the diamond punches and the round punches look once you've got them laid out. They have a very different look when they're on there, as you can tell. It just depends on which project you're making. Now to start, I'm going to start doing the diamond punches and get them all stitched across so you can see exactly how they look when it's all finished. And that is the completed saddle stitch with the diamond punches. Looks pretty good. Now on to the round punches. We are going to go all the way across. This one is going to give more of a straight look to it. These don't have that little bit of a slant that the diamond punches have. And there you have it, a completed round punch stitch. You can tell it gives it more of a straighter look than the diamond, which gives it a little bit of a slant look. Both look very clean. Both work very well. So there you have your comparisons. You've got one that goes a little bit of an angle. You got one that goes straight across. One is round, one is diamond. Which one do you like best?